Welcome to Carmax. Today BMW Z1 has always been a symbol of individuality and innovation, and in its modern 2026 interpretation it rises once again as a roadster that blends heritage with futuristic performance. The exterior of the car immediately captures attention with its metallic red finish that reflects light with a liquid-like brilliance. Every contour and every aerodynamic line has been designed to showcase both aggression and elegance. At the front, the wide bumper sits low to the ground, enhancing its road-hugging stance, while the signature kidney grille is modernized with sharp edges and a slimmer outline. The piercing LED headlights deliver not just illumination but a distinct character, a gaze that seems alive when you face the car. The side profile reveals a wide body stance, large black alloy wheels, and a roofline that flows seamlessly into the rear, projecting speed even when the car is at rest. At the back, sleek LED taillights and dual exhaust pipes highlight its athletic posture, while the diffuser signals performance readiness. Stepping inside the Z1, you are greeted by an environment that immediately transports you into the future of driving luxury. The front seats are upholstered in pristine white leather, stitched with precision to combine comfort with sports character. They hold the body firmly yet allow a sense of relaxation for long drives. The dashboard dominates the interior with a design that is unapologetically aggressive, filled with sharp angles and layered surfaces. A fully digital cockpit spreads across the driver's view, merging performance data, navigation, and entertainment into one seamless panel. The flat-bottom steering wheel, trimmed with carbon fiber and leather, enhances the sports-oriented feel, while ambient LED lighting runs subtly across the cabin, creating a dynamic atmosphere that changes depending on the driving mode. The red exterior body reflects through the windows, making the cabin feel both connected to the outside and cocooned in exclusivity. Every element, from the metallic accents to the futuristic controls, speaks of a car that values detail as much as performance. Under the hood, the BMW Z1 reveals its true power. With the hood lifted, the engine bay is a display of precision engineering. Each component is clearly visible and highlighted with meticulous finishing. The high-performance engine is designed not only for speed but for efficiency and control, combining turbocharged power with lightweight materials. This fusion ensures that the Roadster delivers exhilarating acceleration, a top-tier power range, and the kind of responsiveness that only a pure driver's car can provide. The branding across the engine bay emphasizes the pride BMW places in every detail, while the polished elements reflect the light dramatically, turning the engine itself into a work of art. Performance on the road is where the Z1 transforms from a visual masterpiece into an unforgettable driving experience. The car reacts instantly to driver inputs, the steering feels precise and sharp, and the balance between the chassis and suspension creates both comfort and agility. The acceleration is smooth yet brutal, a surge of power that pushes the Roadster forward with authority. On highways, the Z1 cruises effortlessly, with minimal noise intrusion and maximum stability. On twisting roads, it becomes playful, agile, and fully alive, inviting the driver to push limits with confidence. The BMW Z1 is more than just a car. It is a statement of what modern engineering, design, and luxury can achieve when combined with a daring spirit. It honors the Roadster legacy but brings it into the future with technology, aggressive styling, and a performance heart that beats for driving enthusiasts. For those who want individuality, exclusivity, and adrenaline fused with elegance, the Z1 stands as a perfect answer. A machine that does not just move on the road but leaves a lasting impression wherever it goes.